Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about the best skincare routine for oily skin. Having oily skin can be a challenge, as it can lead to breakouts, blackheads, and a greasy looking complexion. But with the right skincare routine, you can keep your skin healthy, balanced, and glowing. So, let's dive into the routine. Step 1. Cleansing. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. If you have oily skin, it's important to choose a gentle, oil-free cleanser that can remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Look for a cleanser with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, as these ingredients can help unclog pores and reduce acne. Step 2. Toning. After cleansing, use a toner to help balance your skin's pH levels and remove any remaining traces of dirt and oil. Choose a toner with alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, that can exfoliate dead skin cells and prevent breakouts. Step 3. Moisturizing. Even if you have oily skin, it's essential to moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that can provide hydration without clogging your pores. Avoid heavy creams or lotions that can make your skin feel greasy. Step 4. Sunscreen is a crucial step in any skincare routine, as it can protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Choose a sunscreen with a minimum of SPF 30 that can provide broad-spectrum protection. Look for a lightweight, oil-free formula that won't clog your pores. Step 5. Weekly treatments. In addition to daily cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sunscreen, it's a good idea to incorporate weekly treatments into your skincare routine. Consider using a clay mask to help absorb excess oil and unclog pores. You can also use an exfoliating scrub to help remove dead skin cells and prevent breakouts. So, that's it for the best skincare routine for oily skin. Remember to be consistent with your routine, and don't be afraid to try different products until you find what works best for your skin. With a little effort, you can achieve healthy, balanced, and glowing skin.